I just have to make my point straight.
Okay.
That the Ashantis have a stand.
Okay. The Igbo community.
Yes, the Igbo communities in our Ashanti region have a stance, and that is, we don't have a king, and we don't pay any allegiance to any other king in Ashanti region apart from Otunfo Osetutu, the Asantehene. So whatever is happening in Accra is not our concern. If Mr. Chukwuemetu wants to celebrate New Yam Festival, and if the celebration contravenes the law of the land, let the law take its hold on him. Be a king where there is an existing king. I know in Accra there is Ghanaian and a whole lot of chiefs there. You see, sometimes they might even give you a title. That title they give to you is to maybe join them to monitor your people, regulate the excesses of your people. It's not to parade yourself as the general king of just more than the Ghanaian kings too. So that is it is my own advice. It is my own advice. You see, yes, he has to restrict and come out from those things that may jeopardize our existence in Ghana.
Abusiyama yi na ehwa kwaba ade baba Grace TV GH so menim say obo ade adom obia ho ye abusiyama sra say we pie video so a na wa subscribe to the channel na wa share ama foforo so enya bi ahwe ade amame enche kra na o say we pie man Ghana mu ankran opani bi so de ye ya o che say won de we Igbofo ye won kan o mo hene ya o say kan say ebone say wan say Igbo king ya o won kan ene ensem bebre e o de atodwa na enche kra na Asanteman do ti ase opani ba ho na no stress en ko pese okochia ye wura nsem na bibi nti wanya akwanya opani ba bonte be kasai e de fa ho na nanu ya de abetwam ni se wo so obedi baire e wo enkran so be yam festival e wo nkran of Igbo mamu be yam festival e wo nkran ni mu nsem bebre na busua ensem no akoso a basa na manfo busan nsem ti na mu nua be ma ya me adaroma ye nya Igbofo oba Asanteman temu a de oda Igbofo ano e wa ha ye ni bedin komo se de ekoso won kan wo ho bi ni nua Igbo ni ama niema ya oye yi e de afutu no de ema no de ensem na omo ka e de ache Ghana fo asa na ema na ekoso no ama mo ni abre na omo bonyo so nti na ye bedin komo awie no ye besua de yie pa me sere ni di ni abra se kwan so ka me ho ye nkop ani nkyere ye nto ye bo ase ahwehwe komo na bibia ewie abuzua chief wa ha ti ye beto ye bo ase ni ahwehwe komo ahyase kra na me se onte asante kasa ni ye ti ye be ka no poto kasem na we boy home modern ya chi mu asante se de be ya ye beti ase come ho ye nto ye bo ase ye twen come on chief good day.
Good day.
Please, I hope you're fine.
I am very, very fine.
Okay, we bless God. We bless God. First of all, I would plead with you to introduce yourself to our viewers at the moment.
Well, I'm Mr. Martins Chukwuemetu.
Okay.
Yes, I doubled as All Nigeria Community President, Ashanti Region, as well as the Igbo Community President, Ashanti Region.
Okay. In your capacity as Igbo Community President, Ashanti Region, what are some of your responsibilities?
Oh, I have lots and lots of responsibilities.
Okay.
As Igbo Community President, I have to make sure that my people are well represented. I have to make sure that my people are well behaved. We have series of meetings where we organize. We come together to organize ourselves, coordinate ourselves. Whoever is not doing well, we ask the person to do well. Whoever is doing well, we commend the person. So it's just an avenue where we conduct ourselves. You see, to conform with the laws and regulations of the state.
The country at large.
And the country at large.
Chief, let's move to why we are here today. Not too long ago, we had a conversation with you with respect to Igbo people in Kumasi, Ghana at large, and then development so far. Not too long ago, Chief, here the Igbo chief in like this, acclaimed Igbo chief in Nigeria, if I should put it that way. The name escaped me. He was at Ministerial Palace for the royal burial rites for Nana Asantehemaa. And we all understand that there was a viral video that came after the occasion where the Nigerian or Igbo leader in Accra, people had it that he was rejected or not allowed to greet the Ashanti king. Were you part of the delegation that joined him at the Ministerial Palace?
Well, the Igbo community Ashanti region came to mourn with the Otumfuo Str0ng, the Asantehene.
Normally, when you mention Otumfuo's name, you have to bow.
Yes, the Otumfuo Str0ng, the Asantehene, on the death of the late Queen Mother. So we came. We came to represent the Ashanti region. Unfortunately, Mr. Kingship too was there. So you see, to attend the honor condolence invitation, it's for everybody. So everybody is free to come and mourn the dead. Yes. So we were there. The Ashanti Igbo community was there too, but not in the company of Kingship too. He came on his own with the people from Accra, and we were there on our own. So,
were you prompted before he came? Did he in a way reach out to you, since you are the Igbo community who is hosting the occasion? I mean, you are in Kumasi.
No.
You were not prompted.
He said he was invited and he came. So before we came, he was already there. But we sat there differently. We were given a different seat in a different pavilion. Yes, while he too was given a different seat in a different pavilion.
Is there a cold blood between the Igbo community in Ashanti region here and then that of Accra, where Chief Ehena too? Is that the name?
No. The fact is that we have Central Igbo community, Ghana. Central Igbo community, whereby all the regions come together. Yes, with each president. But the fact is, we are about to have a coordinated Central Igbo General President. General President, that's the overall president, that will oversee the regions. You see? So each region has a president.
But they are independent.
So we are planning to have a Central Igbo community, whereby all the regions will meet from time to time to discuss about their affairs, anything that concerns them.
So he was invited and then he came while you were also invited separately. But you met him over there. Did you exchange pleasantries with him?
On personal ground, we are friends. On personal grounds, we don't have any issue. On personal ground, we don't have any issue with Mr. Ehena. The only thing is his own ideology is different from ours, or is different from mine. So one-on-one, I will greet him, and he too will greet me. Yes.
How different is your ideology as the Igbo leader in Ashanti region to that of Chief Ehena, who heads? Our
ideology here in Ashanti region is that we already have a king. We have a king, the Asantehene. So there's no need to come here and institute another king upon a king. You see, it amounts to misconduct, cultural misconduct, a very heavy one. So we cannot try such.
In Ashanti region.
In Ashanti, we cannot try such in Ashanti region. You see. And let me correct one impression that happens at the funeral then. A lot of Ghanaians thought that we came with Kingship. We did not come with him. He just came alone with his people. Yes, it's just by coincidence. We just met when we were about to go and greet Otumfuo Str0ng.
So I'm sure when you were going to greet our king, were you all together? I mean, the Ashanti community as well as the Accra community. Did you go together?
No. We were at the front. We were at the front. You see, a lot of people, there was something like a rush. at the scene.
Everybody
So many people, so many kings, so many chiefs were there.
Okay.
You see, so there was a rush.
Okay.
So not knowing he was just at our back.
Oh, okay.
We did not notice him.
Okay.
We had left before anything that happened took place.
So whatever that happened, when people reported that he wasn't allowed to.
No. We did not. We did not notice that one.
Oh.
We had left the arena before. Oh yes.
Okay. Let's see. After the issue, we saw videos coming from the occasion where commentaries were given that he wasn't allowed to greet the king. As a leader of the Ashanti region Igbo committee, were you allowed to shake hands with the king?
No. Initially, you see, we were told that because of the rush, we could not be allowed. You understand me?
Okay.
It could be recalled that during his anniversary, 25th anniversary, I personally shook hands with him.
Okay.
I took, you see, there was a picture to that, there was a photo to that. But in this now, the coordinators informed us earlier that because of the rush, we couldn't. A lot of people. It was just like there was about to be a pandemonium. You see, only that those people, the coordinators tried. Otherwise, there was too much rush. But they tried. The coordinators, they tried a lot.
So after the occasion, when you saw videos where Chief Asantehemaa wanted to go pay homage to the king, while probably customs and tradition didn't allow that, with people giving commentaries and all that, how did you feel when you chanced on the video?
Oh, for me, how would I feel? No. I'm just concerned about our own treatment. We were treated fairly.
Okay.
Though we did not shake hands with Otufo, but Otufo said to the second. But we were treated fairly.
Okay.
Yes. Normally, most of the chiefs, we had known them before the funeral.
It looked like that's what people say. That's what I'm asking. People say, even though you were informed way before time, just like you are confirming, that because of the crowd, you wouldn't be allowed to greet the king. You just pay homage. Chief Asantehemaa still wanted to maneuver his way and greet the king. Did you notice that from the video?
For him, you see, what will I say? He said he's a king. So a king wants to greet another king.
Okay.
You understand me?
I get you.
Just like the blogger said, that to attend funeral is just for everybody.
Yeah.
But to shake hands with Otufo, you say who you be.
Okay.
So you see, that aspect makes me to laugh. You understand me?
I get it.
So for me, I don't do anything with it. I don't know what is about that. So as I told you, it depends on individual's perception.
Okay.
For me, we were informed beforehand, and I have to obey them. You understand what I'm saying?
I get you.
All right.
So if what you're saying is anything to go by, then we can also assume that Chief Asantehemaa was informed beforehand since he was part of the king.
I don't know. It is left for him and the coordinators.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Now, apart from that, after the funeral, just some few days ago, we heard rumors where Chief Asantehemaa wanted to celebrate Yam Festival in the capital, Accra, where the Traditional Council has issued letters upon letters to stay or speak against whatever that he wanted to do. Not too long ago, Chief Asanteheemaa's entourage came out with a communique that it's not that the Yam Festival has been cancelled. However, they are just postponing to make sure things are being done the right way at the right time. And so he insists that in a matter of time, he would still celebrate the Yam Festival. What do you make of your counterpart in Accra wanting to celebrate a festival in Ghana? What do you make of it?
Well, I just have to make my point straight.
Okay.
That the Ashantis have a stand.
Okay. The Igbo community.
Yes, the Igbo communities in our Ashanti region have a stance, and that is, we don't have a king, and we don't pay any allegiance to any other king in Ashanti region apart from Otufo Osetutu, the Asantehene. So whatever is happening in Accra is not our concern.
Okay.
If Mr. Chukwusihenetu wants to celebrate New Yam Festival, and if the celebration contravenes the law of the land, let the law take its hold on him. If it does not, for me, I don't want to speak on the New Yam Festival or something like that. You see? So that's what my stick on that.
Let us come to our notice, just like we are aware. That's why I'm asking you. But as a member of the Igbo community nationwide, don't you think, even though you're in Kumasi, one way, somehow, whatever might have happened with respect to the Igbo people in Accra would have an impact on you?
This is why we always make our position very, very common to every Ghanaian to understand that we are different from what they are doing in Accra. We do not support any king. We don't owe any. We don't owe allegiance to any king in Ashanti region here, apart from the Otufo or say to the second, the Asantehene. So it needs. This is why we embark on these frequent interviews, orientations, and education for the Ashanti youth to understand us. That we are different from whatever they are doing in Accra. We are not part of it. And we wouldn't want anybody to hold us against what is happening in Accra. We are different and we are independent of whatever is happening. We are the Igbo community, Ashanti region. So we set the pace straightforward.
You have agreed that on personal grounds you are friends with Chief Ahena too.
Exactly.
If that's the case, don't you think it's an avenue for you to talk to him on a personal ground with respect to some of his doings, which might some way affect the peace that we enjoy in the country?
Well, he said he has been the king for 12 years.
He's spoken with him
Since 2012 or something like that.
Okay.
So when you bring it upwards now to 2025, I think it's about 13 years. I don't think this is the first time people have been advising him.
Okay.
Huh? Okay. He too has advisors. Then the people who are against him might have advised him. So, like I told you, it is individual perception. Okay. His own idea. He believes he wants to be king. Okay. So be it. For us, we don't want to be king. We don't want to create any king. And we don't want anybody. We come for business here. So we do our business. We leave whenever we are free to go. Whenever we are okay with what we are doing here, you go and enjoy your life in Nigeria.
People say, that's the perception out there. After these issues popped up, people say Igbos are, I'm just asking, are power drunk. And so whenever they go, wherever they set their foot on, they try to take over the community. And so people should watch Igbos in Ghana at large very well. What do you say about this? Is it true you guys are
Igbos are not power drunk.
Okay. You like to dominate.
Igbos are not power drunk. Okay. Igbos are meant for business. Okay. They are born for business. Okay. So whoever says that Igbos are power drunk doesn't portray our culture very, very well. We are born for business. Okay. So when you are power drunk, then let me say, you know where you are power drunk. I don't know if it is in business. Then that is what I will tell you. But if it is to
dominating,
if it is to take over territories, we are not known for that.
Okay. That's what people are saying.
We are not known. We are not known. Okay. We are not identified as that. And you see, maybe when you go to London, or you go to United States, maybe California and the rest of them, you see some people parading themselves as the king of the Igbos. Okay. Igbo king in California, Igbo king in this. Yes, before it was like that. Okay. But now, like I told you, the traditional council, the Council of Traditional Rulers in 5 southeastern states of Nigeria had categorically made it clear that there is nothing like the Str0ng kingship. You cannot be a king when you don't have any community. You cannot be a king when you don't have territory. You cannot rule lizards or animals. So, as a king, you must have domain. You must have community. You must have territory. You must have so many other things that will make you a king. So why would you be a king in diaspora? So they have made it clearly that they do not want anybody to parade him or herself as the Str0ng king. Because even after that, when you go back home, you'll be already, there is a king at your community. When you go, you become his subject. So what will happen now? When you go out, you go outside, you become a king. No. You come in, instead of showcasing that trait as a king, you become now a subject of a real king.
When you leave the shores of this country, your kingship
ends. Okay. So you see, it's nothing. It's just like a gimmick, a cultural gimmick. But we do not want that.
But have you in any way reported to your people way back? I mean, your traditional leaders way back about the actions or posture of Chief?
Yes, the Igbo community, Ghana, has officially written to the Council of Traditional Rulers.
Igbo traditional rulers.
Yes, the Council of Igbo Council of Traditional Rulers. Those people who have the community, who have the towns where they are kings. There is a forum where they come together to discuss about their affairs. It is there. They reached a consensus, a decision that henceforth there will be nothing like a despairing kingship. So everything is cancelled. Everything has been cancelled.
Officially,
so we have reported to them. Those people parading themselves as the aspiring kings do so on their own volition.
What was the feedback after it was reported to these traditional rulers?
No. The fact is here they cannot send maybe a king, one king, and say you come to Ghana to know what is happening. No, but once you come back, you cease to be. You cannot parade yourself as a king. When they are doing meeting, you cannot come. You see, so they have to put you in a position where you belong, because you are not a king. You are just mimicking them abroad. So I don't think they have to enforce it locally, but internationally, I don't know. Maybe in near future, they may have maybe a backup. They may have means and method of curtailing these people's excesses.
Now, another report coming up, people are making a whole lot of arguments, and what they are saying is that even when you come to our country, a whole lot of social vices that are being carried out are masterminded, that's what they say, by our Nigerian counterparts or brothers, with Igbos playing an integral role. What do you also say about that one?
No. We have been hammering on this time without numbers. You can't just label a tribe maybe as being bad or as masterminding crimes or being criminals. No.
And so they say
it is very, very unfair. You understand me? Check the population of the Igbos in the 5 southeastern states in Nigeria. So check the population of the Igbos here in Ghana. I know how many of them that are committing crimes. You see? Yes. And apart from Igbos, say for example Nigerians, we have Hausas.
Also Nigerians.
Nigeria here. We have Yorubas here. Some of the Hausas, once they commit crimes, if you get them, they will tell you they are Nigerians. You see? So Nigeria continue to get maybe bad names because of that. But no, crime is crime. Crime is crime. It is devoted to the individual who commits crime. So if I commit crime, let the law hold me responsible. It's not maybe me, I and Igbo commit crime, and the Igbos will be held responsible, or the Igbo tribe will be held responsible. It is uncalled for. It is quite unfair. If I commit crime, you hold me responsible. Just say just say Mr. Martins commit this crime. You understand me? A Nigerian. You can even identify me as a Nigerian, an Igbo. But do not say that Igbos are criminals. It is not fair.
It is not fair. Chief, before we go, a lot of the youth in Ghana are grieved about these developments, and looking at the posture of Chief Jude Henatu in Accra, people assume that he's bent on a mission that he's not ready to kowtow to whatever powers that be. What is your message of plea, your humble plea to Ghanaian youth, aggrieved citizens, about the posture of Chief Henatu, as well as some of our brothers who might not be doing stuff that please the people of the Republic of Ghana?
Well, I know that the Ghanaian youth have organizers. They have coordinators. And those people are hearing us. They are in the system. We are in the system too. They know what we are doing. They know the stance of the Ashanti region. They even know the stance of some of the Igbos in Accra, that they don't support what is happening. Even though we need more, we need to do more. Just to educate the Ghanaian youth, just to tell them exactly that we are here for business and not for chieftaincy matters or something like that. So they have to reason with us. If they are hitting the street because of the king or something like that, no.
The king,
maybe because of because of the chief or something like that. I don't think it is a good development. If what Str0ng is doing, what he's doing is against the law of the land, let the law get hold of him. If he's going against the law of the land, just like we said now that you cannot label Nigerians as criminals, rather hold the individual responsible who commit crime. If what he's doing is against the law, let the law get hold of him. You see, but the youth cannot demonstrate that maybe all Nigerians, all the Igbos in Ghana want to build kingdom in Ghana.
They shouldn't generalize the situation.
No. Where do I don't even have a piece of land. Where can I? You see, and they'll come and tell me that I'm part of the people who want to build a kingdom. Which type of kingdom?
You yourself from whatever is happening.
Right from the beginning.
That's true.
The Igbo community, the Igbos in Ashanti region have dissociated themselves from what is happening. So let the youth calm down, at least look at this issue from individual point of view. Whoever commits crime will be held responsible for the crime. So it's just not like the head. The head does not fart, but it receives a knock. You see?
Okay.
So it's just like what that is exactly what is happening. We are like the head. We are like the head now.
Okay.
When they are not fat,
That the one receiving the consequence.
the head will receive the knock. Hey, why do you fat? Why not knock? Why not hit the anus? That's fat.
I get it.
You see? So it's just like what exactly. That's what is happening. We do not commit anything, and we are not saying that we want to build all the Igbos want to build a kingdom in Ghana here. I don't know what is even a kingdom. So thank you.
All right. Finally, what are you telling your friend? Just like you admitted, Chief Jude Henatu, what do you offer him? Tell him something.
Oh, what I'll tell him, I said individually we are friends. You understand me?
So
yes, individually he's friends of all.
Okay.
I don't think he's in enmity with anybody.
Okay.
But he has to take it calmly.
Calmly. The last time you said calmly, people took it that you mean he should relax while he does his thing. So be a bit open and clear. Let people know your stance, because people feel one way, maybe you just don't want to be open, but you might have a hand in whatever is going on. So clear the air very well.
Yes, what I want to say is that yes, you cannot come to Ghana, tell Ghanaians that you are king.
Okay.
You cannot be a king where there is an existing king. I know in Accra there's Ghanaian
a whole lot of chiefs.
and a whole lot of chiefs there. You see, sometimes they might even give you a title.
That's true.
That title they give to you is to maybe join them to monitor your people, regulate the excesses of your people. It's not to parade yourself as the general king of just more than the Ghanaian kings too. So that is it is my own advice. It is my own advice. You see, yes, he has to restrict and come out from those things that may jeopardize our existence in Ghana.
Thank you very much. Chief, your name and title again.
Oh, I don't have title. Okay. I am Mr. Martins Chukwudi. You see, we bear the same name. He's Chukwudi Henetu. I am Chukwudi Okafo.
Okay.
You see, and Chukwudi means God day.
Oh, okay.
You see?
So whatever,
whatever we are doing, whatever we do, God day.
Okay.
So it's just like that. Yes, I am the president of the Igbo community, Ashanti region, and all Nigeria community, Ashanti region. Thank you very much.
Abusuanti openye ne kasai wono na eyenu anom alatafo ye wa Asanteman temu ene Igbofo ye wa Asanteman temu na oda wo mo ano na wa church nsem se sansem wo ekoso no ono omo mfuaso ya omo tu na openye ya wo nkranfo se be ya wonyae na inu anom Igbofo timi atenase asomdue kwan sto mo ya mo famu de aboa o man Ghana na wasanso wa chima me ate ase se eduba bia ese yenu anom alatafo na Igbofo ena basa ye koso Ghana memu omo hyase o chese ebi go bi koye bone a na onya alatani so se alatani ena nipa wako na koye ade no ya address nipa no na Ghana man ni dance ye be ka se alatafo nyina ena aye santi ne komo nyina aye se obo Asanteman temu dia obo titu se ye nyina ye wura ne club ya Asante kotoko hene ono nko ane ohena ye nyina ye som nti omo Igbofo wa Asanteman temu a omo ntimi nya ohene bia se omo so be ye kingdom ahene kese ewo Asanteman temu na Asanteman na omo die chisa se omo die ye nyina ye wura ne club ya Asante kotoko hene no de futu kakra ba akasa aka so de afa na ahema edoti yie no kakra ye course ho ene amamre de amane etwagu ye nyina de ntia omanchia ye wura nsem e de futu akra so aba e de ama mpanyifo nyina ntia busua ye de bepem ha ye bedi nsem wo ye chinya me ya dom a ye betofo bia gya Nyankopon de ye nkwacha ye besa ba ye de munchie mu nyina abro me de kwabana wusu kai se obi trading enterprise pokobo ache perfume house at the boutique ye okuma sound interest junction and a somas no open ta de papa ni perfume papa de ahwa and also odi woni share na akwajibi na bibia akoso ye de ma ba wana ho no omanim ti e de odo na brase e na beye adwuma sanso and na fe Better Grace Financial Services obi intermediary financial group o America or Canada now open insurance company papa open financial assistance papa financial services papa de ho abata o mo a Better Grace Financial Services omo intermediary omo expert in finance ya o hene read na kusi the line na no abato na bo ase a chechel na dwuma o ye scale ba on sem no pay financial service a o de ho bata na beboa o na otimi atumpo otimi sisi otutu ka na no muntu na mo na bibia enkoye enfama number no etwagu no tifana frɛ o hene read na kusi na ne twen komo na bibia enkoye enfama me din e de kwabena usu brepam ye behia ya menka ho yakra bye bye.